Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves for weight loss. Mint is a refreshing herb that offers several benefits for those looking to manage their weight. It's known for its digestive properties, which can help alleviate bloating and discomfort. Furthermore, incorporating mint into your daily routine might assist in controlling your appetite, making it easier to stick to your dietary goals. We'll explore simple, effective ways to integrate this powerful herb. Preparing mint infusions is a simple and effective way to consume this herb. For a refreshing mint water, just steep about 10 to 15 fresh mint leaves in approximately 24 ounces of water. If you prefer a warm beverage, make mint tea by pouring 8 ounces of hot water over 5 to 7 crushed mint leaves. Always let the mint infuse for at least 15 minutes to ensure you get the full benefits. Beyond drinks, mint can easily enhance your meals. Try chopping fresh mint and sprinkling it over your salads, fruit bowls, or even your morning yogurt for a burst of flavor. It also blends wonderfully into smoothies, adding a refreshing twist to your usual recipe. Don't forget to use mint as a vibrant garnish for savory dishes, such as grilled chicken or fish, to elevate their taste and presentation. To truly maximize mint's benefits for weight loss, consistency is crucial. Make it a daily habit to consume mint in your drinks or meals. Remember, mint works best as part of a holistic approach, so combine its intake with a balanced diet rich in whole foods and regular physical activity. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals. This comprehensive strategy will support your weight management journey effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.